This is a little video overview of a new application I'm working on called PictureCast. It is a kind of picture slideshow application for Android and the Google ChromeCast. So you can see this is my TV, super exciting, with ChromeCast just sitting at the normal ChromeCast screen. And then here we have my phone with PictureCast open. Not many pictures on this phone at the moment. This is just sitting here inside the camera folder. But we can hit the ChromeCast button and connect, and it will bring up the PictureCast screen. This is just kind of a temporary screen. We'll be changing it later. But I can come in here, and any of my pictures in my camera folder, I can just tap on those and send them up there. Or maybe I've got something in my screenshots folder there that I want to throw up there. So I can cast any of my local content just like you would expect. But the area where it's a little bit different is we also have some cloud content. Right now it supports Facebook, Reddit, and Google Plus or Picasa galleries. So let's try a Facebook gallery first. So we got a little gallery of some pictures of my truck when I first got it. And so you can see here I'm just tapping on those individual photos and getting to see the pictures of them. If we wanted to maybe load up a Reddit option, this is /r/aw. You can enjoy some of your pictures there, and you can see as you kind of scroll through some of those pictures, you can load them up. Now, we'll see if there's any in here. Oh, here we go. You can see it does support animations. So you can even throw an animation up there on the screen. Might take a second longer to load, but oh, look at the cute little kitty cat. We can also, of course, like I said, do Google Plus or Picasa photo albums. And so I've got a photo album here with quite a few photos. Well, it's a hiking trip I went on a couple years ago. And so, yep, you can just see really quickly, nicely scrolling through there. There's me on top of, I think, that's Mount Sherman. So, but you can flip through there and see them quite nicely. Now the user interface also scales very well. That was my phone, but here is the Nexus 7. You can see, obviously, you see quite a few more pictures. This is local content again. Oh, it says please connect to ChromeCast. I do need to connect. I wasn't connected. You can actually have multiple devices connected at one time. So my phone is still connected, but now I can start casting. This is local content from my tablet. Maybe I want to show off a picture of my cat. You can see sliding out. I have actually quite a few options added here. Maybe you want some really pretty pictures of some Earth landscape. And you can see how many pictures you do get on the bigger display from like the N7. So it really easily mixes content types from local to Reddit to Facebook to Google. It actually supports really large galleries as well. So this is a family trip to Disney World about a year and a half ago. This album has about 1,100 photos in it. So it takes a moment for it to load up, but then once it gets started, you can see and we can scroll and then stop wherever we want and really quickly have our photos. And so again, these ones are stored on Google Plus or Picasa, whichever name you kind of feel like throwing at it. So yeah, works quite well. Again, that's kind of what it looks like on the 7-inch tablet with the navigation drawer pulled out there as well. And then also we have the user interface as it exists on a 10-inch tablet. This is the Nexus 10. So again, very few things in the local camera folder, but just to show you, oh, do need to connect. You can see happily serving local content from a completely different device now. Quite powerful monster I had there in Hearthstone. But again, we can jump to maybe a Facebook gallery here on the Nexus 10. And the N10 will show even more pictures, obviously, than the Nexus 7 did. I'll wait for that Facebook album to load. or possibly not to in this demo. Swap to a different one. Oh, there we go. It had logged out of, I'll go back. It had logged out of Facebook for some reason, but you can see that's actually a small gallery compared to what can be shown. But you can see quite happily, it shows the mixed content. And then here we'll see, this is /funny on Reddit, and sometimes you get actually a lot of animations out of this subreddit. So it's kind of neat to see the mixture of still and animated content in that same view. So, but again, happily throws it up there on the screen for you. So it doesn't just support this kind of stacked grid view. That must be a very large animated, yeah, there you go, obviously a pretty large animation. It doesn't just support that stacked view. The stacked view is my personal favorite, but it also, I just went into the settings on the application. You can do a full screen view as well. Oh, sorry, I flipped through it too quickly. And then it does do some kind of different transitions. You can do no transition or fading or slide in and out. And so this is a kind of a fading transition, of course. So that's what it looks like in full screen mode. So yeah, there it is. That's PictureCast. The first alpha version will be available tonight for anybody who wants to test it. And I hope to get some feedback. Thanks.